What's up guys, Jaden Nevels here with the old man. Welcome to the Aries Moto, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick, definitely not easy. And someone made an oopsie. 2017 F150 Ford. Someone slid on a little bit of an ice. This is last night and last 2 days actually. We had a crap load of snow and ice on the road. And somebody couldn't stop on time, so the plastic piece is broken and the bumper is hit. So old man is removing the bumper right now. So what are you doing? Bumper.
Yesterday, see this?
Yeah.
Look this.
Right there?
That's a one, and this side two. That's a three bolt to take that. And you need to take that. See, that's a take the cable from
Fog light.
fog light. And that's a 3 bolt. It is another 3 to 6 bolt. That's it.
And the bumper is out.
Yes, that's a.
Okay, so old man removed all the 6 bolts and it wasn't that hard. You needed an extension, you need a swivel and 21. Yeah, the spoiler chin or the bumper chin. Well, what up? What are you doing? Oh, those plugs.
That's how T-O-R-T. Take the cable. I got a heated.
Plug.
Yes. Take the screwdriver to take. Very heavy. Put down.
Alright, so the old man is removing all the little brackets and little plastic trim on a bumper. You just want to have metal bumper by itself.
Inside, you need to move the plastic. That's easy to take out if you take.
Yeah, those plastic clips.
Yeah.
And even the license plate holder is held by those metal clips. There's a lot of fasteners, a lot of bolts on the bumper. Alright, so after all those metal bolts, there are also these plastic clips. They're holding it in place. You're gonna need a clip.
For hole, we need to put.
Yeah, so you're gonna have to press from one side and another side and it just pops out. It's like one of those systems that you have to compress in order to go down. Alright, so the bottom part is removed.
Now take this plastic
I'm gonna take the plastic piece and the license plate. what Oldman was doing from one side to another, these little things, these little prickly things. So you use needle nose pliers, but also the regular channel locks, and then you have to compress both sides, and then pops out, and you go one by one by one. Yeah, it's a very annoying little piece. Alrighty, so now you are left over with the bare metal bumper. Alrighty, so now you get to see the years of experience of bodywork and metalwork in action. So you get 2 hammers and a chisel that is pretty much a square, not a So what I can gather is right now, you see this line right here? He's following that line and he's beating the part that was pushed in. He's pushing it back out. That's a pipe wrench. Alright, so it's very important to note that this side is identical to that side, so you have a point of reference how everything should look like right here, and then Oldman's trying to replicate that over there. That looks already much better. Much better. Still more.
Look, not too bad. Not too bad. Okay.
Compared to this side right here.
Need a little bit pull down.
No, I can't hear anything. One more. So the good thing about this metal slab is the different shapes that it has, so you can follow it underneath and get all the angles and edges that you need to get this designed. It's actually pretty neat. And as you can tell, the old man is actually removing all those metal clips right now. So, oops. So you can adjust the fitting of that. So you can place it, make sure that everything fits perfectly. Whatever needs to be adjusted, you adjust. That's underneath the table.
See? That's a really tough treasure. We use now like a callus.
Mold.
You see? We now use this plastic like a mold. Look gap. That's a gap, good. Everything good. This. Look this. That's no good. This side, you need to go to up. You see, this, and this you need to go up. This go to up. More up. That's what we use now. That's why I take the tips. So you need so many times to take and to take and to see. You see that's a gap? Same. That's a little bit you need to. Look the gap, same. Beautiful. That's a little bit. That's a good sheet. See? Look. Just a little bit going down. See that's a need to go to down. This is good. This is good. Yeah. That's a good. You need a little bit. This needs a little bit down. This a little bit down. This a little bit down. That's not too bad. It's not too bad. See this a little bit.